So I'm on the Ritrama stand with Daryl Hansel, who's president of Ritrama US. Daryl, can I just ask you about the materials trends that you see at the moment in the US market?
Thank you, Andy. What we've seen primarily here in the U.S. and in Europe and other parts of the world is people are looking for thinner gauge materials, ways in which to get products not only cheaper but higher yield, and also to reduce their carbon footprint so that they're not creating as much waste or having as much product that needs to go into landfill.
And what specific products are you launching at this show here?
We've produced some core lineless material that is basically, it's a pressure sensitive material that can be converted through a secondary process into a self-wound label, and it's pre-die cut and then can be dispensed through normal dispensing equipment and be allowed to use in either health and beauty, beverage, or other types of home product applications.
And you see a lot of potential for the core lineless system in the US. Have you had a lot of interest in that at the show?
Absolutely. We have a lot of people who've come in who have taken a look at the product and have taken a look at the process and wanted to learn more about it, and they've also even brought in some of their end users to talk to us, all in conjunction together as a supplier and a converter and an end user, trying to find the value chain that can take place and trying to collaborate with the supplier and to reduce their carbon footprint.
Right.
Yes.
Thank you. And I see on the stand, for example, you got a lot of wine labels here. Do you see a continuing move away from cut and stack towards pressure sensitive in these kind of markets?
Yes, absolutely. We find that pressure sensitive gives the end user a lot more flexibility in regards to their production and their labeling and their ability to really customize labeling through different types of digital printing and being able to make, say, smaller runs or maybe more customized runs for their own specific market, whether it be by region or by product type.
And at the show, have you had a lot of interest in the Ritrama products? Has it been a good show for you guys?
Absolutely. This has been probably our best year. As Mac, kind of surprising for me was Tuesday was a very, very busy day. Wednesday was usually our busiest day, but it came out to be probably the most kind of a high quality day, but less traffic. And we found out because we have people here from South America, Central America, Mexico, and the U.S. who are here to represent us. We found that we had a lot of customers come from South and Central America, and that complemented the amount of Americans that we had who were here to visit us. So we had very, very good traffic.
Great. And if you look at specific technologies, obviously digital is a big technology here at the show, growing in importance. How important are digitally coated label stocks for you here in North America, Ritrama?
You know, they're increasing every month. We have new opportunities, and there's new print technology that's coming out and different formats of digital printing, both from high capital expenditure pieces of equipment that utilize specialty top coatings to lower cost, more commodity, say print technologies that allows more people to utilize digital printing for either prototyping or small production runs. So we've found a wide variety of expansion in the digital market.
And I'm just looking over here at the range of materials that you offer. It was always sort of assumed that inkjet wouldn't need coated materials, but that doesn't seem to be the case. It seems if you want a color control workflow, you really do need to have pre-coated materials. Is that something you're finding?
Absolutely. There's a few technologies that are now coming out that are for untreated products, but the main majority of printers that are out there do require some type of a top coating. Right.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Daryl, thanks so much. Is there anything else that you'd like to add at all?
You know, it's just been a really good show. We are very active in the TLMI Association, which is a big part of Labelexpo, and I think that is something that has been a good benefit for us as a company. And again, being an international, global, privately held manufacturer has helped us expand and grow our business here.
Fantastic. Daryl, thank you very much indeed. Thank you.
Thank you, Andy.